Hello everyone. In this tutorial, we will show you how to create this stunning animated PowerPoint slide, perfect for presentation, business slide and infographics. So, without wasting time, let's get started. First, let's set up the background. Right click on the slide, go to Format Background and select a custom color of your choice. Next, insert a rounded corner rectangle and rotate it 90 degrees. Now, insert a text box and type the letter A. Center your content, change the font to Arial Black, increase the size to 54 and center it inside the rectangle. Duplicate 3 times and replace the letters with D, C and B. Now select the rectangle and text together, go to Merge Shape and click on Subscribe to create a cutout effect. Align all the shapes vertically to ensure perfect spacing. Now let's create a modern background effect. Insert a rectangle and duplicate it 3 times. Select rectangle and this one. Go to Merge Shape and select Union and change the color. Remove the outline. Follow the same process with the rest. Apply a shadow effect from preset. Set transparency to 40% and adjust the blur to 20 point to create a smooth look. And take it out of the slide. Here you add the main title of your presentation, then send to back. Select it and move it to the slide. I have already designed some infographic elements using SmartArt and chart option. I will now paste them directly onto the slide and group them together to make adjustment easier. Select this, then bring to front. Do the same process with the rest of the things as you did now. Take them out of the slide again. Now, let's add smooth animation to bring our slide to life. Select this text box. Apply a fade in animation. Adjust the duration to second. Select this. Apply line animation to make the element slide in from the right. and duration 1.5 seconds. Use Animation Painter to quickly copy the animation to other elements. And that's it. Your animated PowerPoint slide is ready. This design perfect for professional presentation, business reports and creative slideshow. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more PowerPoint tips, and let me know in the comments what tutorial you want next. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.